But yeah, so we can move on to the next game, and that's called Red Flags. We're gonna give you three hypothetical situations, and each of them is composed with two things that are going good, and then one thing that is not so good, which is the red flag.
Okay.
You have to assume that these statements are true, and we've adapted them for you and your companies. And you have to pick one situation that you would rather be in, and then tell us why you chose that particular situation. So, situation one: Mentopreneur has grown to 90 employees. CreateUp is now the go-to place in the market for high-quality content and is getting requests beyond its capacity. But it is getting difficult for you to balance between these two companies. Situation two: Mentopreneur has gone international and has clients from North America and Europe. CreateUp can now create content in foreign languages like French and Spanish, etc. But CreateUp is facing tough competition from AI-based generators, which are much more affordable. Situation three: clients have seen a significant increase in profits and social presence, which they have attributed to working with Mentopreneur. The launch of Pool and Scout are an extreme success, and they CreateUp to the next level, and your relationship with your mentors end.
Yeah, so I think I'd go with situation one.
Okay.
Mentopreneur has grown to 90 employees, but I'll just change that a little bit because we never want to get to that scale.
Yeah.
Mentopreneur will always be a lean team.
That's what I figured when you said like 5
Will
projects.
always be a 10-member team. But those 10 horses that we have,
Yeah,
they're going to
absolutely
top notch. Sort of team. CreateUp is now now the go-to place in the market for high quality content and getting requests beyond its capacity. We are facing that right now. It's a good problem to have.
Yeah,
Very good, yeah.
But as we are also pivoting into a product which is the Pool and Scout, which I mentioned, which is coming up soon. So we might actually not pivot but change our focus onto the product side of things. But at the same time, we're trying to build the service side, so that goes on autopilot. And it is difficult for you to balance between the two companies. It'll never get easy.
So ठीक है, वो तो चल रहा है.
It'll never get easy. Now, Elon को देख लो यार. He's managing 3 companies.
Yeah. But that's the thing, right? Like, I feel like it doesn't become easier, it just changes. Because the moment it becomes easier, as you said, you're going to pick up something else.
Yeah.
So it's not going to become easier.
It's not going to, it never will. And what's the excitement in if it's easy?
Yeah.
Right? Like,
that easy excitement lasts for like 1-2 weeks when you go relax a little bit. It's like a vacation.
Yeah.
And then you're like, okay, now what's next?
Yeah. And you like to keep yourself busy, so you're always going to find something to fill your time up with.
Yeah. On to the next big thing.
Yeah.
On to the next big thing.
Not just next thing, next big thing.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.